Hey guys, it's me, Jenna here.
And Estelle.
Welcome back to our channel.
Before we started,
Click that subscribe button.
turn on notifications.
Give a huge thumbs up. That would
That'd
be
be
so
so
great.
great.
Today we're gonna do another experiment.
Yes.
So to make this, you need some baking soda and dish soap.
Yeah.
Then we pour water and
And color.
coloring, food coloring.
Food color.
We put colors in yellow, blue, pink, green, and orange. So we're gonna use vinegar and pour it on the little piece
Yeah.
and see what happens.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the pink and the green, and JJ will do a blue and a yellow.
Yeah, but I don't know about the orange. I think we'll do it together.
Yeah.
So let's start with the blue. What?
Oh my goodness. That's so good.
Wow.
Wow, it's
So bubbly.
yeah, so bubbly, guys.
Put a little
Thank
more.
you.
Wow. I hear little fizzle. Now let's do the yellow one.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's next to yellow.
Now let's do the pink one. Estelle, come on. Now the green. Wow. Let's put a little more. Wow. I'll put a little more. Wow. Pink one. Wow. This is all gonna mix together.
Yeah.
This looks like a bath funnel.
Yeah.
And you guys can try it at home too. Time for the final one, orange.
Can I?
Whoa. Wow, it's all filling up.
Oh,
Is it gonna fill to the top? Let's see. Let's put more until it fills. Wow.
Is it one coming? Oh, okay. It dropped in my feet. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. I wish we could do it again.
Yeah, maybe. And you guys can try it at home again.
Oh,
Wow, this looks like a volcano. Wow. Let's try to mix it up. Wow. We're gonna put some on the pink one because there's not much.
yeah.
That's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Subscribe,
Like,
turn on notifications.
give a huge thumbs up. That would be so great. And this was a fun experiment. So, bye. Janelle.
And Esther.